Okay, let's have a go at 13 then. We've got 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. We've drawn our brackets equals 0. Let's draw our lines, 2 for the first, 2 for the second. Lines 1, 2, 3, and 4. Doesn't take a moment to do. And then the key for the jigsaw, first line, first term. Well, it's just 2x squared. So straight away, there's no possibilities other than just 2x and x, isn't there? Because everything else is blank. The minuses take care of themselves later on. So that's the first thing. Next piece in the jigsaw, last line, last terms. Okay, the last term is 15. So how does 15 happen? Well, it happens if you times 15 and 1. The order, which way around they are, does matter because these 2x and x are not the same. So 1 and 15. Then you've got 5 and 3. Then you've got 3 and 5, of course. Then you're going to have minus 15, minus 1, minus 1, minus 15. All the other things above repeated just with negatives because minus times minus also gives a plus. Yeah, but really and truly speaking, if you'd have glanced at this plus 13 here, so positive and big that these are very unlikely to happen, so I wouldn't look at them to start with and not even bother writing them down. This is where you need to look for trying to find the solution to the factorizing this quadratic. Okay, so that's the second piece in the jigsaw. Then what's the last piece? Remember, middle line's middle term. So the middle lines is lines 2 and 3. So that times 2x. So 2x times that many's plus lines 3. That many x's. Yeah, it's lines 3. So 2x times this and x times this add up to plus 13. So I think I look and I spot it there. Do you see it? 2 times 5 is 10. One of these times 3 is 3. 10 and 3 is 13 plus 13. So let's just try that in the jigsaw then. Final pieces. So the 5 would need to go here, wouldn't it? To be times by the 2x. So it's plus 5. And then the plus 3 would need to go here to times by the x. So let's just write that out more tidily now that we've figured out a probable solution. And let's just double check it then. First line, 2x squared. Plus 10x plus 3x is our 13x, yeah? And then the last line, 3 5 plus 15. Okay, job done then. So that times that equals 0. So when does that happen? That happens when either this thing or this thing equals 0. The second thing equals 0 when, if we move the 5 over, we'll see that x needs to be minus 5, doesn't it? So there's the first solution. And the next one, 2x plus 3, when does that equal 0? We'll move the 3 over and then divide by 2 both sides, so you get x equals minus 3 over 2. Yeah, that's it. Good, and it'd be easy to check, wouldn't it? Minus 5 and x, put that in there and you get 0 hopefully. Alright then, that's 13 done. Good, let's go on to the next one.